Can you find the right people in your life that can really see you and hold this space for you? That is what this Venus moving through Cancer, she was conjunct Jupiter. She's finishing up Cancer. That's what she and Jupiter are holding the space for. This is about true soul family, deep emotional connection. So just know, again, like there's all this burning away alchemization that's happening. And if you follow that and you let go of the people in your life that are actually really toxic for you, and they are not safe for you to be around and to share your stories, you're shedding all that bullshit. And it's opening the door for people who can see you and hold you. So just kind of know there is this beautiful energy present, even if you may not be able to see it right away, depending on what your life circumstance is. But look for those people. They are there. We might have to work a little bit to find them. Again, we're speaking that finger of fate here, okay? It's not going to necessarily come easy or served on a silver platter, but they are there. And it's up to each of us to follow those breadcrumbs to close the doors on the old shitty relationships and shitty people in our life who can't see us for who we really are and can't value us for our worth and what we have to share. Just be done with those old patterns, and the new ones are going to start coming in to find you. I've found that this particular new moon has been that space as I've been in, is this real space holding, listening to the stories of the people who haven't had that chance to be listened to. So you might find yourself in more of that position, especially at the start of this month. If that is you, also be aware of discernment and boundaries. So you're not completely giving everything of who you are away to hold space for people. You need to take care of yourself.